Hello guys, once again welcome to Medicophily. Today I am back with biochemistry questions. The first question is, a patient has swelling in metacarpopharyngeal joints and the serum uric acid levels were raised. It means the patient may be suffering from the gout and the doctor will prescribe medication against which enzyme. So it must be xanthine oxidase, which decreases the synthesis of uric acid. If you give the correct medication, that is allopurinol is the best drug of choice for this case. And the next question is, alcoholic patient with neurological symptoms, it must be thiamine deficiency. So the patient who is taking more alcohol, they may suffer from the thiamine deficiency, that is B1. And the next question is, macrocytic anemia, case with normal methylmalonyl with increased level of homocysteine. In this case, given is normal methylmalonyl, means we cannot include the B12, and we can give folate therapy. Folate deficiency is the cause of the macrocytic anemia in this case. And this question is similar with the previous one. In this case, patient with macrocytic anemia and homocystinuria and normal methylmalonyl levels. So as I told in the previous question, we can give the B9 or a folate therapy for this kind of patient. And this is a image based question in biochemistry. The infant is suffering from the abnormality on the picture. So this is a galactosemia which causes the oil drop cataract. It is a multisystem disorder and the inborn error of galactose metabolism. So this is due to the deficiency of the enzyme galactose 1-phosphate uridyl transferase, or simply we can call it as GALT. And this is a direct question, which is Owen-Garg disease due to deficiency of enzyme glucose 6-phosphate, and also given Owen-Garg, Cole, Michael disease, POM disease. And this is also a direct question, which is MSUD, means maple syrup urine disease, is due to it is a rare disorder characterized by deficiency of enzyme complex, that is branched chain alpha keto acid dehydrogenase, that is required to break down the 3 branched chain amino acids called leucine, isoleucine and valine. And the cofactor for glutathione peroxidase, this is direct question, which is a selenium. And also asked about the comparison between the kwashiorkor and marasmus. So the marasmus is due to deficiency of protein and calories, whereas kwashiorkor due to deficiency of only protein. And in kwashiorkor we can easily see the swollen belly due to the edema. So edema is present, and in marasmus there is no edema. And also ribs are not very prominent in kwashiorkor, and in marasmus ribs are very prominent. So these are the important differentiation between the kwashiorkor and marasmus. And here a given case, a 7-year-old boy with a compulsive self-mutilation and intellectual disability. He is always strapped to bed, serum uric acid elevated, enzyme is, so it is a neurological disorder which can only seen with old boys only. So it may be due to poorly utilized B12. So the enzyme will be HGPRT. And the last question is about Wilson and Menkes diseases. Wilson disease is due to mutation in gene ATP7B, whereas Menkes disease is due to ATP7A. Wilson disease is due to excess of copper, and Wilson disease is due to low amount of copper in the body. So these are the questions we have to discuss. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Medicophily and stay tuned. Thank you.